Hello and welcome back to Nan with a Backpack. In the last video, if you haven't seen it, I'll leave a little link here for you to go back and watch it of me looking for apartments. In this one, I have actually moved into my apartment and I definitely made the right choice for me. Yes, there have been a few little teething problems, which I will tell you all about. But I am very happy. I have purchased a few new belongings to make it a little bit more comfortable for myself. And yeah, I'm looking forward to showing you around. So with that, come and have a look at my new pad. I have literally just got the key to my new apartment. It probably sounds a bit echoey because I don't have anything at the moment. Look at the bedding, bless her. Look what bedding she found. Although I think she got a little confused with one of the pillowcases. It's amazing. I'm so pleased to be in my own space. Because I didn't go through IPS this time, there were a few little things. Obviously, when you go through a company like IPS, you've got somebody there that's got your back that speaks Khmer and English. There were a few little teething problems when I moved in. Most of them were my own fault, I have to say. It said it had a hot shower. So for the first 3 days, I was taking cold showers until my lovely friend Kelly from Autumn Asia and his other half came up and said, do you know if you actually just push this button, you'll get hot water? Yeah, I know. I didn't know, unless somebody tells you, you don't know. There's an overhead fan as well. I don't know whether you can hear it in the background here. That wasn't working, but the landlady was amazing. That literally when I mentioned to her, or Kelly's other half mentioned to her, that same day she had somebody out and changed the fan. The old one was broken, so they came and fitted a new one for me. Any other issues? Oh, the gas hob, couldn't get that to light, but it transpires that it was out of gas. So that was an easy fix. The first thing that you do whenever you move into a new apartment is to clean. So that's my job today, cleaning from top to toe. So all of this just came to $14.42. So I'm going to spend today going through cleaning from top to toe. This is my very large fridge freezer, but it definitely needs a clean. Second trip to the store today, and this one was $25.55. Wow, it was definitely a lot harder job than I thought it was going to be. It's taken me 3 hours with no fan that is working. They're going to come and look at it. I am melting. The fridge was a disaster. It's taken me 3 hours to clean it. Haven't started on the rest of the kitchen or the bathroom or the washing machine for that matter, because that's filthy as well. I am so hot, so sweaty, so tired. I'll be glad when it's all done. This is my final shopping spree of the day, which is bug repellents, a dustbin, bin bags, washing liquids for my clothes, a couple of hand towels, and water, because I definitely need to drink right now. So yeah, I am now all settled in. I have been out and bought a few little bits and pieces just to make it more homely. One of the things that I bought, and thank you very much Dean and Alan for showing me where you bought yours, is I bought a new air fryer. Just bought myself the air fryer from here, $45 for a 12 litre. Okay, so one air fryer bought. I can now go home and cook myself some chicken. Yay! So I've decided to get myself a tuk-tuk back because carrying that big box on the back of Dean's motorbike, it was just one step too much for me. I wasn't strong enough to hold it, and there wasn't enough room on the seat between us for his bum and mine. But Dean, thank you so much for bringing me out. I really appreciate it. It's a little on the bumpy side. Cooking is now happening. I've got 2 chicken drumsticks in there, cooking away. And I've got them on 180, so I'm just going to see what happens after about 20 minutes. We have cooked chicken. Yay! So it has been about a week or so since I moved in, and I have really settled into my new apartment. I'm going to give you a bit of a tour here. So this is where I edit all of my videos. This table was turned into a little bit of a junk table, really. So over here, I have bought 2 cushions for my sofa, which were $5 for 2 of them. My sarong is brightening things up. I have got this little container here, which is for the mosquito thing. So you put one in there and it just helps with the mosquitoes. My bed over here, I've got new bedding arriving tomorrow because I'm kind of overlooking at this bright one. So I've ordered a grey set to go on here, a fitted sheet, 2 pillowcases and a flat sheet, which came to $22. So I put up a little post in Reaper Babes and just asked if anyone knew where I could buy one, and a lovely lady popped up. So she's going to order and then deliver it to me tomorrow. My wardrobe here is all unpacked with all my clothes in it. I've bought this little clothing rack so that once I've washed my clothing, I can then take it outside and dry it outside. This was the fan that they gave me when the ceiling fan wasn't working. I've kept hold of it. It doesn't oscillate, it's a bit broken, but it's great for at night when I'm laying in bed. Television still doesn't work, but hey ho, I don't tend to watch it really anyway. I have also now found somebody to deliver the water for me. So I got 2 of these and it cost $10. So that was for the very first time, and then after that, each time they deliver it, it is $1.25. Over here, fridge freezer working wonderfully. I've bought some iced caramel latte, coffee, pot noodles. Moving in gift from Sinead, which was some little incense sticks. My air fryer, my hob is now working, my kettle. Yeah, so really, really nice. I also have a floor mat, which I bought from a market, which cost $3. The first time I asked somebody how much one of these floor mats, they tried to sell it to me for $10, and I'm like, no way. So I walked around the corner, found a little person, and he turns around and went, $3, sold. So yeah, I'm very comfortable. I'm loving my new place. No complaints. So I'm going to ask a question. Was this the apartment that you thought that I was going to go for or not? Give me your answers down below in the description. And if you haven't liked, subscribed, you know the rules. Do it now. and I will be bringing you a lot more content now from my new home in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Bye for now.